ladies and gentlemen, welcome to DalePaulSlots. Going to be playing a little bit of Lightning Link for Denise today. This one I've done pretty well on in the past, but let's see what I can do. We're at a 2-cent denomination. Got $300 in there. And let's see what we can do. Need 6 of those trophies. Horses are wild. Let's zoom in just a little bit more. There we go. That way, for those that are watching on TV, fills up the whole screen. Come on. You kings. Okay. She's all the way across. There we go. 420. The horseshoes with the dollar symbol, you'll need 3 scattered anywhere to take into free spins. There we go. Not too bad. Not at all. Let's see what we got. We got $11. Benny is $20. Miner's $100. Major's $504. Looks like someone just won that, but you know as well as I do, you can win it again. We're back to back. Let's change up our denominations. Oops, those are game rules. Let's see, there we go. Let's go 5 cent. Good for 15. The mini. At this denomination, mini's worth $50. Miner's worth $250. One more. Nope. Little bit. Ooh, one shy. Come on, bonuses. Jack, rich, and kings. Too bad. Come on. Come on. One more. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Nines. A lot of nines showing up. A lot of wilds too, so I'll take that. Okay, let's switch her up to 10 cent, 250. Oh, wow. This changes the mini to 100 and minor to 500. Come on, come on. There we go. And this is a 10-cent denomination. Show me some words. Any words. Do me wrong. Come on. There we go. That's a nice one. $12.50. Oh no. Last spin win? Come on, let's get it. Let's get it. No. Okay. What do we have there? $7.50. Not the greatest, but we'll play for a little bit more. Play down to $150 for the next bonus. See if I get some free spins. Diet?
A diet?
Thank you.
Thanks for SAGANING.
Okay. Lets me play a little bit longer. Oh, blockers. Two spins left. Last spin. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for stopping by DalePaulSlots. Hey, wasn't in the cards. Best bet it's a fun game. Love to play it. Sometimes it pays, sometimes it doesn't, just like all the other slots. But please remember to hit that subscribe button, and may your slot be hot.